Good morning, students. In the yesterday's session, some theorems I explained you. Now, this session also some theorem with example I will explain you. Now, see the activity. Complete the proof of the theorem. What is the theorem? Is there if the measurement of angle of a triangle are 45, 45, 90 degree, then the length of each side of a containing the right angle triangle is 1 by root 2 of hypotenuse. It means that now listen, in this triangle ABC, A is equal to 45, B is 40, C is 45 and B is 90. If it one angle is 90 means it is right angle triangle, but other two angles are equal measure. So it means that it is a right angle isosceles triangle. What we have to prove? We have to prove that AC square means AB is equal to BC is equal to 1 by root 2 of AC. Now see the proof. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, BC is equal to AB. So by the Pythagoras theorem, what we can write? AC square is equal to AB square plus of BC square. So AB and BC are equal. Therefore, we can write AB square plus AB square is equal to AC square. Okay, so 2AB square is equal to AC square. This half is not here. 2AB square is equal to AC square. So AB square is equal to 1 by, sorry. So AB square is equal to 1 by 2 or 1 by root 2 of AC square. So AB is equal to 1 by root 2. So we can write like this here. Okay. In this way, it is proved that the side in the isosceles right angle triangle, the side we can say the theorem in this way also, but when the angle of a triangles are 45, 45, 90 degree, then the side containing the right angle triangle is equal to 1 by root 2 of hypotenuse. Now what is median? What is median? A median is equal to a segment joining a vertex and the midpoint of opposite side. So it is called as a median of the triangle. Now see, in triangle ABC, A is a vertex of a triangle. When you are drawing the vertex joining the midpoint, opposite side of a midpoint, D is a midpoint of BC. It means that BD is equal to DC. When you are joining the AD, this median is called as a median of a triangle. So in this triangle, AD is a median. All of you understood that? When I am joining the B and AC is midpoint. Okay, when I am joining the B and AC is midpoint, that is also your median. Understood? The vertex and the midpoint of opposite side is called as a median of the triangle. Now see the property of median drawn on the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. We have to see that the properties of median. This is also very simple. Now see the diagram. So in the figure, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Segment BD is a median on the hypotenuse. So you have to draw this, and you after drawing, take any measurement of a right angle triangle, you have to draw it and draw the median, means hypotenuse midpoint you have to join with the right angle triangle, and you have to measure. According to measurement, you will observe that BD is half of AC. Now this is for just for the activity base, but we have to prove. How to prove it? Now see, in the ABC triangle, BD is the median, ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay, just extend the D point segment BD such a way that BD is equal to DE and join C. Okay, this is our construction. Now what is the proof? What is the proof here? Triangle ABD is equal to triangle CD. ABD is equal to C, which ABD is equal to CDE. Very simple. How to write it now? See, BD is equal to D. Write it. You have to write it. BD is equal to D. AD is equal to DC, and angle ADB is equal to angle EDC. Why? Opposite, vertical opposite angle, and therefore triangle ADB is equal to triangle CDE by SAS test, side angle side test. Okay, what I said, which pair you have to write? BD is equal to DE, AD is equal to DC, and angle ADB is equal to angle EDC by vertically opposite angle, and therefore these two lines are parallel. If these two triangles are congruent. If they are congruent, then AB is equal to C, and angle ABD is also equal to which angle? Angle CED. Now this angle is equal to this angle. They are the alternate interior angle, and therefore they are congruent, and by the test of alternate interior angle, that AB is equal to EC. AB is parallel to EC, and therefore triangle ABC is congruent with triangle ECB by SAS test. And which SAS? Because this is BC is common. AB is equal to EC. AB is equal to EC. BC is common. Angle ABC is equal to angle ECB. Because these two lines are parallel, so these two angles are interior angle. Okay. So 1 is 90 means this is also 90, and therefore BD is equal to half of AC. Why? Because if these two triangles are congruent, then AC is equal to B. But what happened? BD is equal to half of B. It means that BD is equal to B. Instead of B, you can write AC, because AC and B are the equal. So, what is your homework? Homework is this in between step. Okay. Complete proof. I write the complete proof and send me. Complete proof. Okay. Now next, from this practice set, just one two question I will explain today. Find the value of x and y using the information shown in the given figure. Find the measure of angle ABD and angle ACD. Angle ABD, ABD means x and y we have to find out. Now see, angle ACB is equal to 50 degree. In triangle ABC, ACB is equal to 50 degree, and ABC is also 50. Why? Because it is an isosceles triangle. AB is equal to AC. If triangle ABC is isosceles triangle, the congruent angle opposite to congruent sides are also equal. By that property, we can say that x is equal to 50 degree. Now similarly, if you are observing DBC, this B is 60 degree, BD is equal to DC. So by the isosceles triangle, what we can say that? We can say that angle BCD is equal to angle CBD. So Y is also equal to 60 degree. Then ABD, what we have to find out? ABD, x plus 60, that is 50 plus 60 is equal to 110 degree. And ACD, 50 plus 60, that is 110 degree. And therefore angle ABD and angle ACD is equal to 110. Firstly, we have to find out xy and by the isosceles property, and then you can add, simply you will get the ABD and ACD, that is equal to 110. The length of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 15. Find the length of median of hypotenuse. This diagram is not there, I think. Now see, length of hypotenuse is 15. In the right angle triangle, this your hypotenuse is 15. So length of median on the hypotenuse, median drawn किया hypotenuse, is half of the length of hypotenuse. Is it? It is 1 by 2 of length of a hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, the length of median on the hypotenuse is half of the median of hypotenuse, and therefore it is 1 by 2 of 15. Therefore it is a 75. No need of diagram only. Just you have to write these two steps. Important. The length of median on the hypotenuse is equal to 1 by 2 of length of the hypotenuse. So students, just this one homework I given to you. So complete this homework. Write all the theorems properly in your notebook and these two examples, and try to solve the question number 3. Okay students.